Welcome to Dark Caper's 3DS Max tutorials. This is episode 1, an introduction to 3DS Max. So the first thing we're going to look at is the layout. So when you load up 3DS Max, you should get something that's like this. So you have 4 screens, top, front, left, perspective views. On the far right here, we have our creative menu. This is where we create shapes and edit mesh. On the left here, we have a list of what objects are in the scene. And to the top, we have things such as our render setup and icons that indicate what is active. Down the bottom of the scene, we have our timeline, which is used for animating. So the first thing we're going to go over is the controls. So if you just left click any of the 4 screens, that will make that screen active. By going down to the bottom right and clicking this button here, which is a little diagonal arrow over a box, you maximize that viewport. So let's go do the same again. The front view, like so. To rotate in the scene, so to rotate around the scene, hold Alt, middle mouse button, and drag. And that allows you to rotate around either an object or just around an empty scene. If you just hold the middle mouse button, you will slide from left to right, up and down, without rotating. To zoom in and out, you just scroll the wheel, middle mouse wheel, forward and back. So just to say again, to rotate around the scene, hold Alt, click the middle mouse button and drag. To move from side to side, it's just hold middle mouse button and drag. And to zoom in and out is scroll the mouse wheel forward and back. Now we're just going to create a shape. So create a basic shape. So if we go over here to our creative menu, which is under this icon here, just going to click box. You click in the empty scene and drag. You'll drag out the shape. If you let go of the left mouse button and drag again, we give the object height. Now to delete this object, just hit delete on the keyboard. And that gets rid of it. So let's go do that again. Left click, drag to do length and width. Let go of the left click and drag to give it height, and then finally left click again to finish the object. Just do that with a few other objects. Just to get used to the controls. That is the end of part 1, or episode 1. Thank you for watching.